There's way more to security than just finding vulnerabilities in software. In fact, the only way for product teams to grow is by enabling pen testing teams to collaborate better with developers. That means better communication and reporting, automated testing, and purple team security practices. And it all starts with getting your team hands-on skills with AppSecEngineer. Instead of just focusing on offensive security, we offer a purple team approach where each course takes you through 3 steps: attack, detect, and defend. Because not only do you need to find the vulnerabilities, you should know how to secure against them too. But that's not all. Manual pen testing can be slow and expensive, which means you do it less often. With AppSecEngineer, you can train your whole team in AppSec automation for much more frequent testing. That means you can achieve speed and scalability without ever compromising on security. Our 50+ courses feature more than 700 hands-on labs designed from real-world security scenarios. We even have challenges where your team can put their skills to the test by solving complex security problems hands-on. Upskill your pen testing team, automate your security, and go purple team. Only with AppSecEngineer. Never stop learning.